Namaste, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with my hybrid Vinca plants. This plant is also known as Madagascar Periwinkle. This plant thrives in pots with proper care, and this is one of the best flowering plant for summer garden and suitable for both experienced and new gardener. In rainy season, Vinca plants need careful attention to prevent issues like fungal diseases and root rot. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of disease and take proper care if needed. Here are some detailed care tips of Vinca in rainy season. At first, place your plant under a shade where it will get proper sunlight, but it will be protected from rainwater. Vinca thrives in well-draining soil. In the rainy season, ensure your pots have adequate drainage holes. Otherwise, problem of overwatering will occur, and this can lead to root rot. Always allow the topsoil to dry out slightly between two watering. Dip finger about an inch or two into the soil. If it feels damp, do not water the plant. They can tolerate full sun or partial shade. If you want more flower, give them more sun. In shady area, you will get more green leaves and less blooms. Damp condition can encourage fungal growth. If you notice any brown spot on the leaves or any wilting branches, trim away the affected parts. Spray any fungicide on the plants every week for better result. Hope these tips will help you a lot. If this video is helpful to you, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Happy gardening!